Good morning YouTube, welcome back to Johnny's Garden Maintenance. Hope you're all doing well folks. It's Wednesday the 12th of January and guess what? Johnny's Garden Maintenance is back at it. What have I got for you today? Follow me. So here we go again guys. In today's video I'm going to be taking care of this Betula pendula, or as you and I would know it, a weeping birch tree. When I prune trees I'm always bearing in mind I'm trying to maintain the tree's natural form and shape. So out the back, Neil's going to be taking care of this pussy willow and golden curls willow. He will also be trimming this holly bush. And to finish off today's video, we'll be doing a light prune on this plum tree. So guys, before we get going, I would like to welcome anybody new to the channel. Do us a wee favour, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Follow us on our journey guys, we love it. So sit back, relax, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm happy with the branches that I've limbed off now, so that's me done with my pole pruner. There's a couple of wee bits at the top need trimmed with a pole pruner. I'll do them in a bit. What I'm going to do now is get on my hedge trimmer attachment and I'm going to give it a good tight trim now, the whole tree. The first thing I've done is taken out any limbs that I didn't like. So now I'm just running around taking off these loose ends, look. So this is last year's growth. So I'm just trimming these in nice and tight. So guys, it's always good after you cut a wee bit, go stand back, take a wee look and see how it is. As you can see, it's starting to take a wee bit of shape. Better shape than it was anyway, so nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 limbs there now that I want to trim. As you can see, that's probably the nicest shape, you know. So that's what I'm going to do folks. Stay tuned.
trees, just remember the 3 Ds: dead, diseased and dying. Okay, so now that we've tackled the 3 Ds, we're going to look at crossing or intersecting branches. We're going to rub them together and then we're going to remove them. Okay guys, so here we have the buds. So this is going to be this year's fruit off the plum trees. Obviously you want a pair of secateurs, but what you would do is you just cut right into the bud there, just leaving that space, and then you would pick off this growth and allow everything to get filled out better. Okay. Quick wee tip: never cut a branch in flush to the trunk, as once it rots back it'll rot into the actual tree and damage it. So always leave a centimetre or two out, let the branch rot and ways in. Now over this wall.
So guys, that's me done on the birch tree. Just a wee tip for anybody pruning trees or birch trees in general. Rule of thirds: never take more than a third off the tree. If you're taking all the leaves and the branches off the tree, that is the tree's source of food, so you're going to put it under severe shock. So it's good wee practice for any gardeners out there as well. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to head out the back and see what Neil's doing. So Neil, you've trimmed the side of this holly bush?
Yeah, it needs a touching up. There was 2 shrubs growing on fruit, so we took it in tight now to release these, cut these down, let them thicken up, and now we're going to taper in the holly.
Happy days, you've left the top for me.
That's the top for you as always, Johnny.
Good man. Good job on the plum tree and the holly tree, Neil.
Yeah, and a good job on the likes of these, the birch here.
Birch? Well, we came here this morning, the birch was looking a bit like Brian May's haircut.
Brian May head all over
It's a bit more like Anita Dobson now, his wife, so happy days.
Pretty much that wraps it up for the day. Hey, if you don't work in a weather warning, well, when can you work? You know,
Look at the weather now, folks, it's absolutely slashing down, but me and Neil, we're not made of sugar. Guys, remember, join the content, like, comment and subscribe.